The overall goal of this procedure is to measure alcohol-induced behaviors in Drosophila using an inexpensive and easily assembled setup well suited for undergraduate research or researchers new to circadian studies. This is accomplished by first assembling the FlyBar, allowing simultaneous comparisons of multiple groups of flies. The next step of the procedure is to culture Drosophila under specified light-dark cycles and collect age-matched flies for the experiment. Then, the flies are exposed to defined concentrations of alcohol vapor and the data is collected. Ultimately, measuring the loss of writing reflex or sedation can show differences in alcohol sensitivity between groups, either based on time of day or genetics.
Visual demonstration of this method is critical because the observation steps are difficult to learn due to the challenges of observing behavior under dim red light and determining which flies have lost their writing reflex and which ones have not.
First, assemble the FlyBar. Start with assembling the airflow. Connect a short piece of flexible silicone tubing to either a building air tap or an aquarium aerator to provide airflow. Split the airflow with a Y connector. Connect the first branch to a regulator. It will control the total amount of air through the system. Connect the second branch to a quick connector. This will allow the airstream to be interrupted as needed.